Welcome back, CNG 132. Let's see, this week, BCC and Westminster, Boulder and Westminster are on spring break. Larimer campus is not on spring break for the second week in a row. Let's see, for this week, everybody should be done with week 9. We should be into week 10, everybody. Boulder and Westminster already did their discussion posts. Larimer, please make your first initial post, and then feel free to reply to your peers' posts. Maybe don't put it off to this weekend, but maybe do it a little bit earlier. See if we can't get some more expansion on discussions with those of us that are here. Let's see. Make sure to watch the original video for week 10. I will start grading week 9's material since week 9 should be over. I'll start grading that material this week. I'm feeling a little under the weather right now. I feel like I'm either getting a cold or getting over a cold. I can't really tell. Mental clarity is a little low. But let's see, I'll get to grading probably this week, not today. Let's see. Things to be aware of. We are in the last third of the course. Make sure you go back, look at an assignment. If you are missing assignments, missing grades, now's the time to be checking that, making sure you do have a grade for everything. If you are missing a graded item, make sure to go back and review that. Next week, we should start to do submissions for the Transcender test, and I'll go over this next week also. And you should start working on your security policy. Although we don't cover security policies until Chapter 15, it is a good idea just to get that little tiny project out of the way, just to give you more time to do other things. So once again, next week I'll review Transcender and go over the security policy in detail, what to do, how to do it. I don't believe I have a rubric. If anybody needs one, I can make one up pretty quick, but it's pretty straightforward with that. And once again, the details will be next week for both those items. Let's see. Our next test should be the 12th, so it's 2 weeks away, or 3 weeks away in some cases. So our next test is 3 weeks away. Make sure that if you did miss a test or you do have a low score, that when you're practicing Transcender, a score of 85% or better will boost all 4 your test grades to 100%. Also go in that just a little bit more detail once I know everybody's back from breaks. But that's all I really have to go over for this week. Make sure you watch that previous video for week 10, and then this video will be right underneath it in the weekly check-in videos.